The benches of a gallery in a cricket stadium are 1 meter wide and 1 meter high. So that is given कि benches of a gallery in a cricket stadium are what? 1 meter wide and 1 meter high. 1 meter wide, 1 meter high. 1 meter wide, 1 meter high. So this is 1 meter wide, this is 1 meter high. So benches in a cricket stadium are 1 meter wide and 1 meter high. A batsman strikes a ball at a level of 1 meter above the ground. So batsman strike a ball 1 meter above the ground. So here batsman is there and batsman strike a ball 1 meter above the ground. So this is 1 meter above the ground. So this is 1 meter. So batsman strikes a ball 1 meter above the ground. So this is 1 meter. Batsman strikes a ball 1 meter above the ground and it reaches at some point on the stadium and strikes on the bench. That bench is to be calculated. A batsman strikes a ball at a level of 1 meter above the ground and hits a mammoth sixer. The ball starts at a speed of 35 meter per second. The ball starts at a speed of 35 meter per second. That is the speed of projection of the ball at an angle of 53 degree with the horizontal. So it makes an angle 53 degree with the horizontal. So projection speed is there 35 meter per second. The benches are perpendicular to the plane of the motion and first bench is 110 meter from the stadium and the first bench is at a distance 110 meter from the stadium. So that is the position of the first bench. First bench is 110 meter from the stadium. So what will be the range in this case? Range equals to how much? Range equals to u square sine 2 theta divided by g. So first calculate the range. When it is projected at this speed, what will be the range? So u is 35 square. So sine 2 theta, 2 into theta is how much? Theta is 53 degree divided by 10. So r equals to how much? 1225 sine 106. So 53 double, that is 106 divided by 10. So r equals to how much? 1225 sine 106. Sine 106 equals to how much? Sine 106 equals to sine 106. Sine 106 is 0.96 divided by how much? Divided by 10. So this is 1 to 2.5. So this will be approximately 1 to 2.5 into 0.96. So this will be approximately 117.6 or this is 118 meter. Range equals to how much? Range equals to 118 meter. Then we have to find the bench on which it will strike. Let this y vertical distance be n and this horizontal distance should be 110 plus this is, if this is n, this is 1 meter. If total y is y equals to n, then create that batsman strikes at a height of 35 meter per second, 1 meter above the ground. So this height is n minus 1. So total height is n, this is 1 meter, this height is n minus 1. So total x distance equals to how much? 110 plus n minus 1. 110 plus n minus 1. So total x distance equals to how much? Let x distance be 110 plus n minus 1. X equals to 110 plus n minus 1. So that is 109 plus n. This is 109 plus n. So what is the equation of trajectory? Equation of trajectory y equals to x tan theta whole 1 minus x divided by r. That is the equation of trajectory for the oblique projectile. So that is the formula for equation of trajectory. So that is the formula for the equation of trajectory for the oblique projectile. So y equals to how much? y equals to n. So we have taken y equals to n. So that is the y value, y equals to n. X equals to how much? X equals to 109 plus n. X equals to 109 plus n. That is the x value. And tan theta equals to how much? 53 degree. So 1 minus x by r. X equals to how much? X equals to 109 plus n divided by r. R equals to how much? R equals to 118. So after solving this, we get n equals to how much? N equals to 6. So n equals to 6. On which bench it will hit the ball? That is on 6th bench. So n equals to 6. Final answer is n equals to 6. That is the final answer.